Morning students, today I am teaching 8th class 9th chapter area of the plane figures. First exercise 7th one. So here what the question? The floor of a building consists of around 3000 tiles which are rhombus shape and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of flooring if each tile cost is rupees 20 rupees per meter square. That means 1 meter square how much cost more? 20 rupees. So 1 meter square, that means one tile is fixed on the floor, its cost is 20 rupees. The tile is in the shape of rhombus. Okay, when one tile is fixed on a floor, that means the tile is occupying on a floor, so that occupying place is called area of the rhombus. Okay, how many tiles are there? 3000 tiles. Okay, the 3000 tiles are in the shape of rhombus. So first we can find the rhombus area. Okay, so here what the question are? The floor of a building consists of around 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of flooring if each tile costs 20 rupees per meter square. Before we can first find the area of one rhombus tile. Okay, then we can find 3000 rhombus tiles. After that we can find the total cost of flooring. Okay, so how we can find the total cost of flooring? By using area of rhombus 3000 tiles. Okay, so here solution ma length of first diagonal is 45 centimeter. Okay, given that the shape of tile is rhombus, given length of first diagonal is 45 centimeter, that is given. Next, length of second diagonal is 30 centimeter, that is equal to. So what do you find? Area of rhombus. So area of rhombus. Why you can find the area of rhombus ma? Because the tiles are in the shape of rhombus. The rhombus shape of the tiles are fixed on the floor. Okay, so that's why you can find the area. Okay, area means what? Any object is occupying in a plane surface. That occupying place is called area. So here in the floor, the tiles are occupying. Okay, so the tiles is occupying the floor. So that occupying place is called area of the tiles. Okay, so area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2. So that is half into d1 45 into d2 30. Okay, to 1 ja to 15 ja. That is 45 into 15. So here 45 into 15 ma. 15 5 ja 75. 15 4 ja 60. 60 plus 7 67. Okay, centimeter square. So 45 centimeter, 30 centimeter. Okay, so centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So area of rhombus shape of a tile. Here you can find only one tile area. So how many tiles are there? 3000 tiles are there. Okay, now find area of 3000 tiles. Okay, area of 3000 tiles is equal 3000 into area of a tile. Okay, so the tile is in the shape of rhombus shape. So that is 3000 into 675 centimeter square. Okay, so 0 0 0 3 5 ja 15 3 7 ja 21 21 plus 1 22 3 6 ja 18 18 plus 2 20. So 20 lakh 25,000 centimeters square. So area of 3000 tiles is equal 20 lakh 25,000 centimeters square. So but in the question they given that each tile is fixed on the floor. Its cost is 20 rupees per meter square. That means the centimeter square is changing into meter square. Okay, how we can change? Means here 1 meter is equal how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Okay, 1 meter square, that means 1 meter into 1 meter, 1 meter square, that is equal how much more? 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, that is equal 100 into 100, 10,000 centimeter square. So 1 meter square is equal 10,000 centimeter square. So here this centimeter square is changing into meter square. Why is it changing into meter square? They given that the cost of per meter square is equal 20 rupees. So that's why the centimeter square is changing into meter square. Okay, so 1 meter square is equal how much more? 10,000 centimeter square. That means the 1 meter square is dividing on parts 10,000 equal parts. In this 10,000 equal parts, what is the part of 1 part? 1 by 10,000. So 1 centimeter square is equal 1 by 10,000 meters square. Here how many centimeter squares are there? 20 lakh 25,000 centimeter square. So that is equal 20 lakh 25,000 by 10,000 meters square. So zeros cancel. 2025 by 10 meter square. The denominator having 1 0. That means we can get 1 decimal. So that is 202.5 meter square. So area of 3000 tiles in meter square is equal how much more? 202.5 meter square. So here what the question? What the question now? Find the total cost of flooring if each tile cost rupees is 20 rupees per meter square. Okay, so the cost of tile is in fixed on floor is how much more? 20 rupees per meter square. Here how many meter squares are there? 202 meter square. So the cost of 3000 tiles are fixed on floor is equal 202.5 into 20. Okay, how many meter squares are there? 202.5. So for meter square how much cost? 20 rupees. So that means the 202.5 meter square cost is, that is 202.5 into 20. So 0 to 5 jar 10 to 2 jar 4 plus 1 5 to 0 0 4. So how much more? 4050 rupees. Okay no?
Okay, my friend.
Here one more. There is a pentagonal shaped parts as shown in figure. Pentagonal means in a regular polygon which having 5 sides is called pentagonal. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in a polygon which having 5 sides, pentagonal shaped parts as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Rasida. Okay, that means Jyoti doing one process, Rasida doing another process. Divide it into 2 different ways. Find the area in both ways And what do you observe? Okay, so first they given the diagram here like this. Here 15, here 15. The total length is 30. So in this 30, the total length 30. The 15 is a one part. Okay, so remaining what is the part? It is a 15. So then the remaining part is how much more? 15. Okay, total how much more? 30. Okay, here how much? 30. Okay, now Jyoti. First find that Jyoti way. Okay. Jyoti diagram. Okay, Jyoti diagram. Here they dividing this total diagram into two parts. How construct one line? When you construct this line, it is dividing into two equal parts. The two parts are in the shape of trapezium. Okay, so here how we can find in the Jyoti process area of two trapeziums. Okay, so area of two trapeziums. How we can find area of means area of diagram A, B, C, D, E is equal area of two trapeziums. So what the trapezium formula of into the addition between two parallel lines into sum of two parallel lines. So here one length of parallel side is 15, another length is 30. So the distance between two is the distance. Okay, how we can get the total length is how much? 15. This total length is dividing on parts, two parts. That is the 15 by 2. How much more this height is 7.5 centimeter. It is 7.5 centimeter. So that is 2 into half into distance is how much more? 7.5 into. Okay, so sum of two parallel sides 15 plus 30. So to cancel 7.5 into 45. Okay, so now multiply 45 into 7.5. Okay, 25, 2, 2, 35, 31, 5, 7, 3, 3. So how many decimals? One decimal. So we get as 337.5 centimeters square. So area of ABCD in the Jyoti process, how much more? 337.5 centimeters square. Okay, next area of ABCD in Rasida. Okay, Rasida diagram is like this: square and triangle. Vema, Rasida dividing the total diagram into one square and one triangle. Okay, the total length of the diagram is how much more? 30. The height of the diagram 30. In this 30 centimeter, here how much more they given that? 15. So in this 13 centimeter, 15 is a one part. What the remaining height? 15. Okay, so now area of it is the Rasida Vema. Okay, area of A, B, C, D, E is equal area of square plus area of triangle. Okay, area of square, side into side. Area of triangle, half into base into height. So side into side plus half into base into height. So side, how much more? 15 into 15 plus half into base. How much more? 15 in this triangle. This is the base, it is the height. So height is how much more? 15. Okay, so 15 just 225 to 1 ja to 7 7.5. Okay, 7.5 into 15. 15 5 jar 75. 15 7 jar 105. 105 plus 7 112.5. So we can do that total sum, that is 337 centimeters square. So here Jyoti way is same answer, Rasida's way is also same answer. So the total area of the closed curve ABCD is equal in Jyoti and Rasida ways. The answer is same, 337.5 centimeters.